Okay, so I got my little Røde Wireless GO today, so I just bought this. So let's have a look at it. Haven't unboxed it yet, so it's the first time. So I got my little knife here. We'll get the sticky off, and we'll get into this. Let's have a look what we get. It's pretty cool. It's like a box within a box. It's got a security tear here, so we'll tear here. Let's have a look what we got. And the Wireless GO from Røde. It's actually made in Australia. Very rare. You can see a little. I saw it somewhere. It was on here. Here it is. It says there, Australian made and owned. Actually, the guy that owns Røde mics, he bought Kurt Cobain's guitar recently for like a hefty sum. So let's get into this. You've got your little carry pouch, and it's got the two parts in there, two main parts. So you've got a receiver. There's the receiver there, and transmitter. And it's actually got a built-in lav mic there, right there. So you can actually you don't need like a lavalier at all. So it's a pretty cool feature. Put those there. What else we got? Two little furries, little dead cats to stop the noise. I don't know why there's two, because there's only one lav. Only one lav on here. And what else we got? A couple of USB-C cables for charging these up, because they've got lithium-ion batteries in them. So you got two USB-C cables. Nice little Røde. Call it Velcro holding them together there. Hold them nice and neat. And we've got a little cable to go. This will go into your digital SLR. So that's a TRS, isn't it? Tip, ring, sleeve. That's what it is. If you want to know difference between TRRS and TRS, one's got a tip, ring, sleeve, and the other one's got tip, ring, sleeve. There we go. Or you got TS, which is just tip and sleeve. And then you got the instructions here as well. There we go. So it's the unboxing, and some silica gel. Quite a nice little unit. Apparently they only weigh 31 grams each. Very, very light. Nicely made. It's got a little clip there. So I'll do a full review. You can see that it says made in Australia. That's beautiful. Let's see if we can start one up. That's the start up there. Let's read the instructions and get this going. It looks like you've got the pair button. I've read a little bit on these. You got your dB. You can switch your decibels for sensitivity. And that looks like, is that the on-off switch? Or it's not. One of these is the on-off switch. They might actually be flat. They might be. Let's see if we can start these up. Not too sure. Have to read the instructions. Oh, there we go. Wireless GO. There we go. See if the battery looks pretty flat. So I was waiting for it. So I reckon you pair them. It's a little pair button. Should be a little pair button here somewhere. You'll have to just read up on these. There's a little pair button there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So we hit the pair button. And I think you just hit that one and it should come up, should it? Oh, there we go. There we go. Hello. It's coming through the audio. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So there you go. That's the way it goes. Simple as that. So I'll do a bit of a test with them, and I'll do a full review on them, tell you how it goes. And this is going to be handy because I'm going to be able to clip one on myself, and when I'm working away from the desk, doing things out the back and that sort of thing, or doing cooking videos outside and those sort of things, I'll be able to use this. It'll come in very handy. Okay guys, so stay tuned. I'll put this all back. Looks very nice, little carry case. Little Velcro carry case here. and I'll put them all back and I'll do a full review, and you'll see that shortly. Probably the next couple of days I'll do a full review on it, look through them all, do some tests, audio tests and so forth, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.